आमचे क्रायम आणि लीगल रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आमकां जॉइन जातात आणि तेजपालाच्या की वर्डिक्टाच्या अगेन्स्ट गोंय सरकार हायकोर्टात गेल्ले. किती आर्ग्युमेंट जाले आज ती आनीक तर सामकी पावरफूल आर्ग्युमेंट जाले आणि पावरफूल बाजू गोंय सरकारान मांडल्या. किती म्हणटा गोंय सरकार ते मुकेशा कडच्यान जाणून घेवया आणि मुखार या. मुकेश, प्लीज टेल अस what happened in the High Court today. What is Goa government saying now?
Pramod, today just Goa government has filed amended copy of the appeal, and hearing will be tomorrow. But major contention raised by the High Court before is there are 84 grounds have been cited by Goa government challenging the acquittal of Tarun Tejpal in this matter. And some important point I want to make here that High Court has stated that the trial court has been influenced by the extraneous inadmissible materials and testimonies, graphic details of past sexual history of the victim prohibited by the law. I want to explain here that the trial court had stated in its judgment that the victim girl in this matter did not act like a rape victim because she continued her work which was going on during that event. Later on she joined one party and she did not act like she was traumatized. So there is one judgment of the Supreme Court which says that trial courts should refrain from the commenting on the conduct of the prosecutrix, means the complainant girl or victim girl, in rape trials based on the habits such as smoking, drinking, or past sexual history. So Goa government has said that the trial court ignored the guidelines made by the Supreme Court, and trial court relied upon the past history and affairs of the victim girl. And another thing was that the High Court Goa government has also raised one comment made by the trial court that this girl is highly educated, she is independent, and she is very well aware about the law regarding the rape cases. That's why she enhanced or improvised her statement during the trial. But Goa government has further mentioned that how can trial court ignore the email sent by Tarun Tejpal in which he had said that he is sorry about his conduct and he did something wrong. So Goa government has said that if something has not happened, then why would Tarun Tejpal wrote such mail? It shows that there is some guilt made by the Tarun Tejpal which has been ignored by the trial court. So this will be heard tomorrow and we'll see that what happens.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Mukesh. Very crucial development and very strong arguments by government of Goa.